Good morning, dear students. Welcome to General Science class. Now, in this class, we discuss about the topic magnetic induction. Magnetic induction. What is the magnetic induction? Magnetic induction is defined as the magnetic property, magnetic property possessed by magnetic substance magnetic substance due to presence of a bar magnet or magnet near to it is called magnetic induction. Is called magnetic induction. Okay, students, once again, magnetic induction is defined as the magnetic property possessed by magnetic property possessed by magnetic substance due to presence of a magnet near to it is called magnetic induction. Okay, students, this concept we understand with the help of we conduct a small activity. In this activity, we take the required materials. First one is bar magnet. Second one is safety pin. Next one is a needle or all pin. First one, we take students safety pin and needle. Students, we take this is safety pin and this is needle or all pin. Now this both are contact to each other. We notice that these two, they are not attract to each other, and here this needle is not attracted to safety pin. There is no attraction. Students, now we take a bar magnet. Each bar magnet, it has two poles, north pole and a south pole. Next, now the one pole of bar magnet is bring near to that safety pin. What happens? You notice that the safety pin is attracted to bar magnet. Why the safety pin is attracted, that is the stick to that bar magnet? What is the reason? We know that opposite poles, that is unlike poles or two magnets, they are attract to each other, and here the safety pin is acts as magnet. So that's why here opposite pole is created on the end of the safety pin. The unlike poles are attract to each other. Now when does this war magnet brings near to safety pin, what happens? This is attract to bar magnet because of it act as a magnet. What is the reason? Because of the magnetic property is induced in safety pin due to the bar magnet is called magnetic induction. And a magnetic induction means the property of magnetic nature is induced in safety pin due to the bar magnet is called magnetic induction. Students, once again, the magnetic property possessed by magnetic substance. Yes, the safety pin is a magnetic substance. It will come to that magnetic nature. Why? Because of due to the presence of a bar mag near to it is called magnetic induction. And a magnetic induction is means to induce the magnetic nature to the magnetic substance of safety pin when it placed near to the bar magnet is called magnetic induction. Students, now I have to remove this safety from that bar magnet. Now second situations, this bar magnet and needle, they are not physical contact. They are not physical contact. I have to put the gap between them. Okay, students, I have to put the gap, and that is there is no physical contact between the bar magnet and the safety pin. Next, ask our friend to take this needle. Take a needle. Take a needle. Students, ask our friend to take a needles. Students, this needle is bring near to that safety pin. Students, we notice that the safety pin is attracted to and is stick to safety pin. By what is the reason? Due to that magnetic induction. And here the safety pin, it is act as the magnets. So that's why it's the create the magnetic field surrounding to it. So that's why the safety pin is also attracted to the safety pin because of a magnetic induction. Here the safety pin is act as a magnet. The magnetic property is possessed in safety pin. The safety pin is act as a magnet. Okay, students, this is called magnetic induction. Once again, what is the definition of magnetic induction? Magnetic property possessed by magnetic substance due to presence of a bar magnet near to it is called magnetic induction. And overall concept is that the magnetic property is induced in the safety pin, resultant it acts the magnet due to that bar magnet. And the bar magnet is created the magnetic field. What happens? We take the safety pin or needle near to the magnetic field. What happens? The safety pin is also acts as magnet. So that's why the safety pin is attracted to the bar magnet. Is called magnetic induction. Okay, students, tomorrow we'll continue next class.